Welcome to our presentation on tourism marketing strategies for emerging destinations. Today, we'll explore how lesser known locations can unlock their potential and thrive in the competitive tourism industry. From understanding and target audiences to leveraging digital platforms, we'll cover strategies that deliver results. The global tourism industry stands as a colossal economic powerhouse, with its extensive reach influencing diverse sectors, ranging from hospitality and transportation to cultural and creative industries. This industry not only plays a pivotal role in job creation, but also significantly contributes to GDP growth worldwide, showcasing its vital importance in the global economic landscape. When the lens is shifted towards emerging markets, characterized by their developing economic structures and rapid industrialization, tourism takes on an even more crucial role. The ripple effects of tourism extend beyond the economic realm, as it also plays a part in cultural exchange and the promotion of global understanding. However, tapping into the full potential of tourism in emerging markets is not without its challenges. It necessitates the implementation of robust and innovative marketing strategies tailored to its unique characteristics and needs. Emerging destinations. Emerging destinations are locations that have recently become popular for tourists but are not yet widely known or saturated with visitors. These destinations face the challenge of creating brand recognition, attracting visitors, and differentiating themselves from more established competitors. Emerging destinations can leverage new trends, sustainable practices, and digital marketing to establish themselves in the global tourism market. Why tourism marketing matters for emerging destinations? Number one is because of its economic growth. Tourism generates revenue, creates jobs, and boosts local economies. Next is cultural exchange. Tourism promotes cultural exchange, understanding, and mutual respect. Sustainability focus. Emerging destinations have the opportunity to embrace sustainable practices and ecotourism. Long term impact. Effective marketing can ensure long term tourism development while avoiding over tourism and cultural erosion. Key marketing strategies for emerging destinations. We have branding and positioning, digital marketing and social media, influencer and partnership marketing, experiential and niche tourism, sustainability and responsible tourism, and community engagement. Branding and positioning. We have unique selling proposition. It identifies and what makes the destination unique. Example, its culture, nature, adventure, wellness, and history. Storytelling. Craft a compelling narrative about the destination's history, people, and culture. Visual identity. Develop a memorable logo, color scheme, and visual elements that resonate with the target audience. Brand consistency. It maintains consistency across all marketing platforms and materials. For example, its websites, brochures, and social media. Digital marketing and social media. We have website development. It creates a user-friendly, visually appealing website with essential information, accommodations, activities, culture, and travel tips. Social media presence. It leverages platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok to showcase visuals, share local stories, and engage with tourists. Next is content marketing. It produces high quality content, including blogs, videos, and infographics that showcase the destination's attractions. And lastly, the SEO optimization. It ensures search engines rank the destination high by using effective SEO strategies and keywords related to travel. Influencer and partnership marketing. Travel influencers and bloggers partner with influencers who align with the destination's brand to create authentic, organic content. Co-marketing with airlines and hotels. It collaborates with airlines, travel agencies, and local hotels for joint promotions and special offers. International tourism trade shows. It participates in travel expos and tourism conferences to build relationship and gain exposure. Lastly, celebrity endorsements. Leverage high profile figures to promote the destination, especially if they have a connection to region. Experiential and niche tourism. We have adventure and ecotourism. It promotes unique outdoor experiences like hiking, diving, or safaris, especially for eco-conscious travelers. Cultural tourism. It highlights local traditions, festivals, and heritage sites that offer immersive cultural experiences. Wellness and health tourism. It capitalizes on the growing interest in wellness tourism by promoting spas, yoga retreats, and healthy lifestyle experiences. Gastronomy and culinary tourism. It features the local food scene and unique cuisine to attract food enthusiasts. Sustainability and responsible tourism. Eco-friendly accommodations and services. It promotes hotels and activities that are environmentally responsible. For example, eco-lodges, sustainable transportation. Community-based tourism. It supports local communities by encouraging tourists to engage with small businesses, local artisans, and guides. Conservation programs. It highlights conservation initiatives and how tourism revenue supports environmental protection efforts. Eco certification and recognition. Obtain and advertise eco certifications to build credibility among sustainability focused tourists. There are case studies of successful marketing. For example, in Iceland, we have leveraged social media campaigns with hashtag like My Island Story. It focused on nature and adventure tourism. It built a strong brand around sustainability. Next is Vietnam. Vietnam promoted lesser known destinations like Sapa and Phong Nha Kabang. It focused on cultural and heritage tourism with the Vietnam Timeless Charm campaign. Lastly, we have Colombia. Colombia rebranded to combat negative stereotypes and promotes natural beauty, coffee, and culture. Colombia also has digital campaigns and influencer partnerships boosted global tourism. So, in conclusion, effective tourism marketing is not just about attracting visitors, but about creating a sustainable and positive impact on the destination and its people. That's all for my topic, and thank you.